Hello guys, this is Vysh. So this is a topic again as per request of students, like how to choose a test series and like how will we know whether these questions will be actually coming in exam, or is Vysh IAS test series worthy enough to enroll. So this kind of questions keep coming. Okay, so this there are a lot of scamsters in this country, and that is why it's like a business model. Okay, everybody has like copy pasted MCQs from here and all. They don't care what is the syllabus, what is the textbook, and they even show fake results. Okay, that is the most sad part of this, and students fall for this also because they just see the headline of that advertisement or what they show, which they actually purposely projected towards you. That only you see. You don't go and see the inner details. So I'll just tell you certain things which will help you. Already there are foundation videos which tells you how to choose a coaching institute, whether it's offline or online. That video, if you don't have, ask me in WhatsApp. I'll give you the video link. Now this in particular, okay, there are institutes, the name will be like this IAS, that IAS. Like our institute also, we call it Vysh IAS. So like that they will have something. Okay, we like a pass IAS or definitely clear IAS. So like that some term will be there which tempts you to go and join them, and they keep advertising. Whoever has the more money, they'll put more money into advertisement, and more ads will come in your Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, everywhere, even Gmail. And you will think like, okay, these people might have a lot of students, maybe many are clearing, so you will go and join them. Okay, so yesterday also I posted in YouTube, if you have seen, in community tab where I keep posting. Yesterday this big post I had posted, so many students have seen it also. So the same thing I wanted to explain with little more details. Like this institutes, okay, they post this whenever this exam is nearing, 2021 and 22 exam is nearing, so they'll put that whatever is their institute, suppose XXX, so XXX IAS versus UPSC. Okay, like even we do this Vysh IAS. So I will tell you how we are different and how these scamsters are there. Okay, there are definitely good institutes, not only Vysh IAS. There are many institutes who teach students very nicely, and their questions actually come in exam also. But there are scamsters, so our video is about those scamsters alone. Okay, so don't think like I'm going to tell like only Vysh IAS is the best and remaining all are bad. It's not like that. I'm trying to make you understand what is going on in the market. Okay, so they will tell, this will be the maybe email subject or WhatsApp message, you get like 100 plus marks directly from the test. So and they will definitely show you also. Okay, like they will show you left side one question, right side another question. Okay, but I'll tell you where the scam is. Okay, they simply show you random questions in the test series. Okay, like very easy questions will be there, like world economic outlook. Okay, which is a IMF, which is a simple report, and like this there are hundreds of reports, but 20-30 reports which are very common, which everybody teaches you. That will be like maybe UPSC ask. Okay, that year UPSC ask it, question is here, they will go and post there that ABCD type simple question here. Okay, so like that maybe 4 or 5 questions are there. Definitely whoever is running coaching institute, 5 questions and all easily will come from their test series. Okay, because direct questions, many questions comes in UPSC every year, direct, ditto direct. Okay, like monetary policy, physical policy, banking, very basic definition based, 5-6 questions come. So this will be there in your email. Okay, like I told you, will receive an email, this will be your subject of the email, and in the body these 5 questions, right, which is very simple, which anybody can claim, that 5 will be here. Okay, NCERT based or something directly, like Tansen is the Navratna of this Akbar. That kind of very basic one statement ABCD type question they'll put. So you will see like, okay, first question correct, second question correct. These people, everything came from their test series. But below that, then it will be like payment link. Okay, pay for our test series immediately, like offer. It's at 10,000 rupees. We are giving for 5,000 rupees. Come and buy now. It's a golden offer. And below that, some content. And last, there will be like download the PDF for all the 100 questions. Okay, meaning 100 plus marks which they are claiming here. For that link will be below this after everything. Okay, so you don't even bother. Some students will be happy with this 4 questions which they show, and they think like, okay, maybe 100 questions like this itself they have claimed it. But those who are very serious, they will actually go and see that 100 PDF. Okay, 100 question PDF. In that you will see like only those direct 4-5 are there. Remaining all a scam. Okay, nothing is there which came from their institute. Or if it came also, they are just showing it in a fake way. That I'll show you how. Okay, like if UPSC had a 3 statement type question, the institute will show random questions in their test which may help you get one statement right. Okay, that also example I'll show you what I'm trying to tell. Okay, like if there is a tiger related question which UPSC asks. Okay, so tiger related, like 2-3 statement UPSC will ask. Very difficult question. One will be like, it's an endangered animal. It is like some project tiger launched in this year, and then something else. Okay, tiger is extinct in this country. Something they'll give. Right side they will give another question which also will be about tiger only. But their question will be something else. Okay, there will be no connection between these 2 questions. But because they put the heading like tiger like this, students sometimes after seeing that default easy W, like the word IMF type questions and all, then 6th, 7th question when this thing comes, they think like, okay, I'm matching only, fine. So they think it is matching. But actually this question did not help you solve this. Okay, let me show you example. This is a UPSC question which came in 2020. Okay, Indian elephants. So if you see, it was a difficult question because like leader of the elephant is a female, then gestation period is 22 months, and then this calving will be only till 40 years, and the highest state populations in Kerala. So 4 statements are there, and you have to know all of these to solve this question. Okay, so we ourselves, when we have covered a lot of elephant related question, but we cannot show you any random elephant question here and tell like, okay, see, elephant, it is matching, so we covered. Okay, so I'll show you one question about that fake institute which is doing this. Okay, they also have the same kind of question, elephants. So their statement was like, Project Elephant launched in 1992, which has no connection with this question. It is centrally sponsored scheme, which is again no connection with this question. And third one is maximum number of elephant in India is Assam. Okay, so here 3 is not given as per their answer, so it is false. So we know it is not Assam. Okay, as per their teaching. Okay, in their explanation also they might have given or not given, and here it is given the highest population is in Kerala. Okay, so here when you do, there is no connection. Only thing is the one statement was somewhat matching. They'll simply put this red color font, here green color, and tell like, see, we solved it. With this stupid question, how are you going to solve this question? Even if you know, like Kerala, suppose actually answer is Karnataka is the highest. Even if they teach you, suppose Karnataka, okay, so you tell like, okay, 4th statement is wrong. Now what you will do? You will eliminate this 2 and 4. You will eliminate this 1, 3 and 4. Still you are stuck with 1 and 2 only and 3 only. Okay, this A and C. How are you going to solve this question with this thing? This is what is happening in their scam PDF. I have seen that PDF, and that's why, and students only forwarded to me. They told like, I regret that I went and joined that coaching institute. After joining only, then I simply, for detailing, I went and opened their PDF of 100 plus marks which they claim. In that only that first 4-5 questions are correct, or like direct ABC type question. Okay, this report is published by this report is published by that. So that will be there in both left side and right side. But remaining all the statement type questions are fake and scam. Okay, so please, before joining any institute, go and see that last link before clicking on the payment link. Don't just see what is there in the email which they projected towards you. Inside the link, when you click it, when you download the PDF, you will see this won't match. Okay, questions will not match. So don't fall for these scamsters. Read the full email. And to fight against this only, we started our own method, our own this thing of test series. Okay, but still people are falling for that. Another thing is this toppers photo scam. Okay, like you see, like many institute will have photos. Okay, like our toppers, rank 1, rank 2, rank 3. If you ask these people personally, go and ask these people, their photograph will be there in almost every coaching institute. Okay, you go to Delhi, 5 coaching institute you pick up, these photographs will be there in all these people, because they will take mains test series, and they will take mock interview from all of these institutes. Okay, because once they clear prelims, right, once they clear prelims, they have like do or die, because you have come in the top 10,000 people when you go for mains, and from there top 2,000 people when you are in interview. So you will not take any chance. You will pay all the institutes and you will go and join everywhere. But prelims, these people would have studied by their own thing. They would have studied NCERT. They would have studied the textbooks. They would have taken a lot of mock tests of various institutes. These Scamster coaching institute would not have helped even 1% to clear them the prelims. Okay, but because mains and interview they went, they have collected the photo and biodata of them, and that they project in every test series package. Okay, on the prelims also photo they put, in the mains also photo they put, but prelims they have cleared by some other means. So please understand this. I have told this in multiple videos, but still people fall for this. That's why I'm telling. I'm not telling you to come and join Vysh IAS. Go and inquire properly, then only join. Okay, like even our results we can show you. Okay, so as I told, the problem is with students only. Students are like falling, like if you somebody tell, okay, add me to Telegram group, I'll add you Telegram. They will steal the Vysh IAS material, Vajira materials, everything, and post in this box. And every day news link will be there, editorial link, this link, that link. So you will think like, okay, I'm getting nice help from this Telegram group. No one in this planet is going to read all these links and all these PDF. Okay, you just have a fake belief or satisfaction that you are doing a lot of things compared to others, but actually you are not doing anything. You are actually wasting your time, and after you will see like this is like 1,000 messages unread. You will not read these messages also. Okay, like this is not only 1, 6, 7 Telegram groups you would have joined, and in your inbox in Telegram it will be like 1,000, 100, 650, 600, 850, 500. You will not read these messages. Okay, so don't fall for this. Just inquire in the market, do some proper research, compare it. Okay, like here, that's why, as I told, to fight with these scamsters only, we started our own test series where we clearly tell you in the starting of the video also, every year I put this disclaimer, like we don't throw test at you. After every test series we come back and tell you correctly, like see, our growth is not like first day itself we got 100 questions correct. Okay, 35 questions, then it grew to 49 questions, and in 2022 it was 52 to 60 questions. Okay, meaning we are telling you directly only 38 came. That is only possible by any coaching institute. Only that much is possible. Also, there will never be a direct question between UPSC and IAS. I mean, this whichever IAS. Okay, if it's Vysh IAS also, directly no single question will come. If that is the case, then I can go and work in the UPSC board, right? It will be always a combination of 3-4 questions which we taught you, help you solve one single UPSC question. Okay, so that also, like this is an example question which we told last year. Okay, Rajya Sabha has equal power with Lok Sabha. Okay, in which one? Creating All India services, amending the constitution, removal of the government, cut motion. So directly this question will not be there in Vysh IAS. Okay, never it will be there in Vysh IAS. Like example, here if you see, I have put a question in my Lakshmikant test, like both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha has equal power in what? So here the answer is 1, 3 and 4. So ordinary bill, constitutional amendment bill and finance bill. This money bill is not there. So equal power is there for constitutional amendment bill. Okay, so here itself you got the answer, amending the constitution. But again, if in case this question was not there, if you take the other questions, dissolving Lok Sabha by this thing, no confidence, and voting for demand for grant, this is only with Lok Sabha. Okay, so removal of government, this is not there because it's only for Lok Sabha. Then here if you see demand for grant, that we taught in another combination of two questions, if you see, that is cut motions. So cut motions is also only for Lok Sabha. So that also gone. And All India services, we have taught you in another where explanation is there. It is only for Council of States, which is Rajya Sabha. So 3 questions of Vysh IAS took for you to solve this one question if this was not there. Okay, here direct question was there luckily for this example, but if it was not there, it takes this much effort to teach something and then reach UPSC standard. Okay, else it will be like cheating only. You will see whatever, whenever somebody tells you like directly there was a question in there, whatever IAS, that is actually fake. Okay, nobody can ditto reproduce a UPSC question in their test series. It has never happened. Okay, except for that report based question, like who released this report or what is the capital of this country. That kind of silly things may be there, but statement type question, it will be a combination of lot of questions. Okay, lot of examples are there. These are all Vysh IAS and UPSC questions where I told you 38 to 40 questions were directly solvable, and then 12 to 15 questions you need interpretation. Okay, so this I am not showing here now all the things because all these things are already covered in a separate video. Okay, so here also if you see this macroeconomic, this thing in my economic survey video also we taught you like 3 statements are kept along with the budget under the FRBM Act, and here that only they asked under what act do you keep this? Answer is FRBM. Okay, so like this, what we teach will be a different format, what UPSC asks will be a different format, but it will help you solve the question. But if somebody tells like ditto this question I have taught you, then that is a scam. Okay, such thing will be never there in any test series. You take the biggest of biggest test series. So please don't fall for this. Okay, this also if you see, this is a 4 thing. Okay, 4 international things which they have given in one question. Who will teach all these 4 in one place for you? No coaching institute can teach you because all 4 are not even connected with each other. Okay, this Alma Ata is a very old declaration. The Hague is a different thing. This is a UNFCCC climate change related thing. This is an Indian thing which India signed. How will anybody teach you together? It will be there in 3, 4 different places. Okay, so here if you see this under 2 coalition, okay, which is here signed by some 2 states. Okay, where is that? Yeah, this one, Telangana and Chhattisgarh. Okay, so here what is that? What is this thing? Climate change. Like this we have taught you. Okay, so this child rights will be wrong. Okay, so 4 will go away. Now still you are stuck with 1 and 2 and 1 and 3. So for that if you see my revision chart, see Hague is interchild adoption and abduction. 2 things are there. 2 Hague conventions are there. And here Alma Ata is primary healthcare, the last one. Okay, primary healthcare. So in this question if you go back, Alma Ata is healthcare. That is correct. Hague is either child abduction or adoption. But what is this? Biological. So it is wrong. So 2 will not be there in the answer. Okay, so answer will be 1 and 3. And this one, Talanoa dialogue, UNFCCC climate change. Okay, so it takes 2-3 questions of a test series to solve one UPSC question. This is how it will be everywhere. So this is called genuine analysis, and the other one which I showed you, the elephant kind of question, is called fake analysis. So please be aware, at least from next time. Okay, so I can show you hundreds of questions. We have a lot of questions which are directly and indirectly solvable from Vysh IAS. Okay, so see to it and then decide where to put your money, because money is not a like simple thing. You go and waste in some stupid institute, and not only the money, 1 full year you waste because you have an expectation that next year I'll pass, next year I'll become IAS, I'll become IPS, I'll go to Mussoorie. With all these dreams, you go and invest your money, and finally you sit and cry. Okay, so don't do that. Research properly in the market and then only join any test series. Okay, so I'll wind up this video because if I talk, it will go on going the length of the video. So please go and watch this. Vysh IAS UPSC videos are also there, and other coaching institutes also go and watch and then verify and then only join any test series. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.